Hey everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people pick up in their Sephora Vib sale haul, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, first off, shout out to my twin and good YouTube friend, Heather. Thank you so much for sharing your VIP discount code with me. Otherwise, I don't know that I would have made such a big haul. I am super excited to dive in and share with you what I picked up. A VIB is real. 20% off anything and everything you pick up from Sephora really does help. Oh, and if anyone noticed, I have foundation, concealer, lip, mascara, a little bit of eyeliner in my waterline, but the rest is a blank canvas because I got some good stuff in here that I want to try out. Okay, so I picked up 6 items and spent approximately $155. All right, first item, we have a product from One Size. This is from Patrick Starr, and it is the Point Made 24-Hour Gel Eyeliner, and I got the shade, did I even have to look? Black. It's Bodacious black. And if I had a better memory, I wouldn't have already put some on. But you know what? Let's do a swatch and add some more. That is very creamy and quite black. I don't know why I did that because I already had some on there. I really couldn't see a difference. So I will definitely be trying this in a future video. I also got this item from One Size, which is the Turn Up the Base Butter Silk Concealer. Again, I'm already wearing concealer. You know what? I'm just going to swatch and do a separate video where I'm trying on all of the items I picked up in the haul. That's what the packaging looks like. Hope I picked a good color choice. I've heard really good things about this. Oh, that doe foot is interesting. It's kind of scooped, a little short and squatty, but with a little curved scoop to pick up product. I like that. Can you see it? Or did I do a good job of picking a good shade match? It's right there. Awesome. I've heard that this is very full color coverage, but yet moisturizing and doesn't accentuate fine lines. Cannot wait to give that a try. The next product I got is from Fenty, which is the Match Stix, which is in the shade Amber. All right, please be good. Yes, it looks good. Let's do a swatch. There she is there. Give it a little blend. Oh, I think that will be good. Yes. Done. JK, let's blend it out before she sets on in. I like it. I also picked up from Fenty Beauty the Everviral Late to the Train lip gloss, the Gloss Bomb, and I have the shade Sweet Mouth. Look how pretty. All right. Do I have lip products on already? Of course. Is it going to stop me? Heck no. Smells so good. It's sweet but fruity sweet. I don't know. Maybe watermelon or peach. Sweet goodness. That's all I can tell you. I like it. It's one that is thick but not sticky. Smells even after you apply it in a good way. Has an ever so subtle taste. Not that you should be eating your lip gloss, but you know, it's near your mouth. A little gets on your tongue. I love that. No wonder it went viral. All right, let me show you what else I got. Holy cow, that is way smaller than I anticipated. This here is from Charlotte Tilbury, and it is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. Heather, I blame you. I kid. I have been dying to give this a try. You talk about it all the time. I love glowy skin. I'm shocked that this little itty bitty thing was $15. I probably should have just shelled out the 30 whatever it costs and got the full size bottle. But I did want to test it out, mainly to make sure I got the correct shade. But yeah, I do have a little regrets on spending so much on such a tiny bottle, which is even tinier when you take it out of the box. Oh my goodness, the cap is taller than the actual part with the product. I got the shade Too Fair, and this little tiny guy is a whopping, shut up, 5.5 mLs. I should have read the webpage before pulling the trigger there. All right, so it's right there. And what's interesting is it looks kind of like a light serum foundation, but look at that shimmer. All right, let's blend it out onto my hand. Why didn't I get the full-size bottle of that? All right, it's all blended out right there now. Ooh, yes. It's one of those products I believe you can wear as a base, under foundation, mixed with foundation, or even on top as a very subtle highlighter. At least that's what's going through my head and what I'm going to try on now. Yes. Okay. All right. And I saved the best for last, which is this eyeshadow palette from Patrick Ta. Apparently, I am ahead of the game for once. Instead of being late to the train, I guess this Patrick Ta palette is pretty hip right now. I just gravitated because I enjoyed the color story. All right, I'm going to try not to blind you. It has one of those beautiful metal shiny packaging that will look good for 2 seconds until my grimy fingerprints get all over it. Let me show you how pretty the color story is. Okay. Can you see why I gravitated? This is a beautiful, warm, neutral, everyday, but yet a little, for me, adventurous. Not super, but look how beautiful that color story is. All right, let's do some swatches. All right, here are the swatches from the lightest shade. These are all the mattes. And then here across are the shimmers. And then these two have a little cover over them to protect them from the powders because these are cream eyeshadows. And for anyone paying attention, yes, I magically have my eye look done. I've redone my lips. I added some blush. Yes, I will film a separate try-on video. This is a teaser spoiler of what's to come. All right, let me recap everything I picked up and let me know. I'm very curious, A, if you've tried any of these products, and B, what you think of my shopping ability. Is what I got worth $150 some odd in your opinion? And that, granted, was with 20% off. I saved like around $35, then tax cranks it back up again. But let me put on the screen everything I spent. Yes, thoughts, welcome. And let's recap what I got. So I picked up the sample size of the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Sweet Mouth, the Fenty Beauty Match Stix Contour in Amber, the One Size Turn at the Base Concealer in Fair 3, the One Size Point Made Gel Eyeliner in Bodacious Black, and the Patrick Ta Major Dimension 2 palette. What are your thoughts? I am super excited because A, I normally don't treat myself to what I consider pricier or bougier items. I don't know why. I can afford this stuff. I'm just cheap. I don't know growing up or what the deal is, but to me, spending $155 felt like a lot considering I spend $28 on a BoxyCharm and get $150 worth of product. Let me know if you suffer from the same whatever disease this is, but I am excited to try these specific products. I'm going to put up a separate video doing a full face of all of these items I picked up. Let me know if that is something you'd be interested in, or if you're like, nah, I see the eye look you created, I'm good. I get it either way, but I do love playing with new products, and hey, it's good content for my channel. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. And remember to click that bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.